What language do you speak, sorry?
Igbo. I speak Igbo.
Okay, say anything to me in your language. Please tell me what he said on the comment section.
Aha m bụ Ozioma. Adị m afọ asatọ. Abụ m onye Agbo. Aha onye isi ala Nigeria bụ President Muhammadu Buhari. Aha m onye isi State President Ifeanyi Okowa.
Okay. Are you done?
Yeah.
I'm trying to know where my constituents are from. First constituent, where are you from?
Imo State.
Igbo.
Igbo, yeah.
Second constituent, where are you from?
Igbo.
Again. Third constituent, where are you from?
Imo State.
What is happening now? Igbo again. Okay, this one will never be an Igbo guy.
But yeah.
Where are you from?
If I'm not Igbo, wait again.
Oh my goodness. Come here. Where are you from?
Delta.
Delta's Igbo or Delta?
Igbo.
Delta Igbo again. Igbo must join. Okay, so thank God we have gone to another state.
So this is where the battles girls are from. Cross River.
I'm not hearing it.